Hello and welcome to this week's episode of the Fintech Fix, your weekly news roundup where I cover everything in the fintech industry that's been happening and fintech finance. First up on today's episode is the news that Meniga, the digital banking platform, has actually raised 8.5 million euros from banks such as UniCredit and Group BCPE over in France. It's absolutely incredible news after their brilliant rebrand last year, and I'm really excited to see where these banks are going to go when they utilize Meniga's brilliant open banking capabilities. Now, second up is the news that ATM withdrawals in the UK have plummeted, and that probably comes as no surprise because of the COVID situation. ATM withdrawals have actually dropped around 60%. Now, MPs are calling for a way to protect cash going forward, and especially ATMs, as it is a way of making sure that people who are not digitally banked can still afford to live. So find out what happens when the MPs decide how we can action this issue. Now, as it's just a short one, I thought I'd cover everything that's been going on at Fintech Finance this week and next. Ali Patterson knocked it out of the park with 3 virtual arenas. He spoke to Trulioo's Zach Cohen all about KYC and the new state of banking when it comes to onboarding around the world. Then he spoke to Kieran Chu, the man with a head in his clouds and his feet on the ground, all about payments as a service from ACI worldwide. And finally, he spoke with Aptitude and Qperia all about the new regulations in the insurance industry, one that you cannot miss because of the significant changes going on in the insurance industry due to the virus. Now on to next week's timetable for Fintech Finance. We've actually got 2 virtual arenas, both featuring me as I speak with Mark Budenheck over in Holland about large value payments with ING, and then I take the trip over to Hong Kong to speak with Andy Nam from Standard Chartered to find out what they're doing in China and Hong Kong when it comes to innovation in the financial industry over there. So make sure to check those very exciting interviews out next week. See you then.